Storytelling. Good morning everyone. My name is Diri Kumar. I am studying LKG. Name is Sri Balaji English Medium. Today story. One turtle took rain. Long ago, one turtle, one friend, near a pond. One summer, the pond dried up and had very little big water. Friends wanted to go in the pond, and the turtle could not fly and gave them an idea. He asked the friends to hold it, both of us. In the corner in the middle, which is the crane fly out carrying the turtle with them. People shouted, clapped, seeing the turtle fly. Turtle surprised, opened his mouth, fell into the ground. Thank you.